lahat dito po sa USA and good morning sa Philippines and good evening po sa ibang bansa. Yes, I'm Coach Girlie po and yeah, I'm very thankful for this team kasi po talagang kami po ay solid no na nagsi-share po sa ganitong opportunity dahil alam po namin na marami po tayong matutulungan no. So we are aiming to help a lot of people no to elevate lives. So galing na po ako sa mga ganitong industry no sa network marketing pero sa Live Good po nakita ko po na very doable po yung system and easy to share and napakaganda po ng ating mga products and more products are coming po. Kaya it's very exciting po dito po sa Live Good kasi po may pasabog po no na i-share si CEO very soon. Kaya aralin po natin yung ating business. All right, that's it for now. And Coach Marinel, it's your turn.
Yes. Marhay na banggi. Sabi nga sa Bicol naman, 'di ba? I am from Catanduanes, one of the part of Bicol region in the Philippines. So, but now I am presently residing here in Brussels, Belgium. So, good evening everyone. It's already 9:04 here in Belgium. So, magandang gabi po sa lahat ng nandito sa Belgium, dito sa Europa. So, once again, we are here to present to you this amazing company that is we call Live Good. Okay, so what I love about this company is, of course, not just the earning potential, the earning benefits, but mostly the products. So, for me, I really enjoy the products. They are really good for my health. Not just the products, but I become more, inspired to take good care of my body, to take good care of my family. So, guys, we are here not just to introduce to you the products, but in overall to inspire you all to prioritize your health, your well-being. Kasi it's very important. We can't do anything if we are not feeling well, 'di ba? So it all depends with our good health. So ma-achieve natin kung anong man ang mga dreams natin if we are in a good shape, 'di ba? So yes, so stay tuned po kayo kasi we will introduce to you all the details about Live Good, okay? Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. Well, may watcher na po tayo. Lunch break po daw sa kanyang office. Nanonood po ang ating dear Coach Medi.
Hi, Coach Medi.
Wow, thank you, Coach. Shout out po namin kay mamaya. So if you are watching right now, pakilagay na lang po dyan. Put your location, where you watching from, para po we can also mention who you are. If you're member of Live Good, ano po yung team ninyo? Yan, maganda pong masabi ninyo. Watching also is Coach Reynold. Hello po, magandang hapon. Okay, Coach.
Magandang
Sama
hapon
ka dito.
po, Coach Reynold.
Sama ka dito.
Sama po kayo dito.
Guys, thank you so much. Once again, mag-start po ako and we i-sequence po namin yung aming presentation today. So, share lang po natin yung ating presentation slide. There you go. I-deliver ko po muna yung itong first section and pinaghati-hati po namin ito. At pipilitin po namin maging mabilis para naman po hindi natin maabala ang inyong oras. Kung may tanong po kayo, please write it down para masagot po natin mamaya. Okay. So, we would like to introduce to you guys Live Good, no? Live Good is a global e-commerce business, guys. Hindi lang ito local in the USA and in limited countries. This is global. Around the world po ito, kahit nasaan kayo. Okay? So, this is called a turnkey business kasi you will have when you get into Live Good, guys, no, itong business na to, you will get a business center. You are called a business center owner, and you are also called an affiliate. So dalawang program po yung aming i-introduce sa inyo. So hopefully mag-join po kayo sa dalawang program, but you have the option to have one or the other, no? So, ang unang-una po nating i-introduce is itong business affiliate, and then the other one is the membership club. Kauna-unahan po ang Live Good na nag-offer ng membership club at ipapaliwanag natin yan. Okay. Now, we are actually different from other companies. Kung medyo nasa networking companies na po kayo or online businesses, malaking-malaki po ang kaibahan ng Live Good. Ito po yung mga sample kung bakit kami kakaiba. Kasi kauna-unahan po yung ating affiliate member, you as an affiliate member, wala po tayong account expiration dyan. Hindi din po tayo nagbibigay ng quota, wala tayong pressure, do this business as relaxed as you are, kaya bagay na bagay po sa ating mga retirees. Okay? No product packages to join kasi kayo na po yung bahalang pumili ng products na gusto ninyo. So, hindi po namin isisingit sa inyo kung ano yung ayaw ninyo. So, wala din po kaming no monthly auto ship needed kasi hindi na po tayo pahihirapan para bumili ng products na hindi naman natin gusto. Nasa sa inyo kung kailan kayo bibili, kung kailan nyo gustong magbenta as well, no? No buying or selling required, yun po yung ibig kong sabihin. Nasa sa inyo po yung time kung kailan nyo gustong bumili. No need to hide what you offer kasi po napunta din ko kami sa mga companies na bawal kaming magsalita, bawal naming sabihin kung ano yung binibigay namin at bawal naming sabihin kung ano yung company namin. Yun po usually ay tinatawag na blind marketing, no? Na lifestyle lang yung kanilang pinaliwanag pero hindi nyo maintindihan kung ano yung babayaran ninyo na napakalaki pala. So hindi po tayo ganon. And also, hindi din po kami binary, yung tinatawag na volume on the left, volume on the right, bago ka pa sweldohin or bago ka makatanggap ng bonus. So dito po, kahit isang tao lang or kahit wala kayong naiimbita, pwede pa rin kayong kumita at yun po yung ipapaliwanag namin sa inyo. Maganda, di ba? O magandang maganda. Okay, syempre, kailangan yung malaman, sino ba to? Ano ba yan? Yung corporate team? Yung company na yan, saan ba yan? Okay, so let's talk about the company, guys. We are here in the United States, located in Jupiter, Florida, USA. Ayan po yung license. Pwede niyong makita. Ibinibigay na namin sa inyo. This is launched internationally, no, sa international market noon lang pong December 13, 2022. Kaya napakabago pa lang po ng company, no? Almost 13 months, 14 months, 1.5 month year, no? Kaya gusto namin kayong imbitahan dito to take advantage of the pioneering kasi ang dami pong company na nakikilala lang natin sila 10 years old na, 20 years old na, no, medyo obsolete na yung kanilang system. So, kaya may nag-invite sa akin, 10 years na kami, 20 years na kami. I don't join them anymore. Okay, papaliwanag namin sa inyo yan mamaya. So, as we have said, all products in USA, GMP certified, USDA organic po kami, may natural and vegan din kami, and lahat po ng product namin ay tested po with the third-party laboratory bago namin nila-launch, no? As you can see here, the picture po ng aming isang warehouse, dalawa po ang warehouse sa Florida, and we also have one warehouse in Germany. Kaya ako minsan nandun ang gagaling ang inyong shipment from Germany if you are in international, no? Yan, pinapakita po ng ating CEO Berglinsky and Dr. Ryan po yung ating warehouse. Now, syempre gusto nyo makilala sino ba yung corporate team natin, ano? The great people behind this Live Good, guys. Napakaganda po ng background nila na ipinagmamalaki ko at ipinagmamalaki naming lahat, guys. Ben Glinsky, President and CEO, siya po ang nakaisip po nito program na to, guys, na kakaiba, no? With over 20 years of experience na po siya and running some of the most successful companies po in the nutritional supplement industry. Kaya po, alam na alam niya yung business natin. Team up with Dr. Ryan Goodkin, which is also our co-founder and director po ng product development. Lahat ng pinoproduce niya or ipino-formulate niyang product para sa atin, guys, Family's use po talaga at nakikinabang tayo doon. Kaya gustong-gusto niya po na yung products na ginagawa niya, talagang pinipili niyang mabuti yung mga ingredients po na yan. At saka yung combination, guys, nakakagulat, nakakabilib po yung mga products ng Live Good na makikita nyo mamaya, no? Yung iba. Also, with their team is Lisa Goodkin. Of course, Goodkin din ang apelyido. Asawa po siya. She is the wife of our product formulator, no? Lisa Goodkin is our Director of Health Education. Guys, every Monday, meron tayong libreng health education na talagang natututunan po namin ang lahat about our health.
Nag-freeze po yata.
Nawala si
Coach
Coach.
Marin. Yan, nawala po si
Oo.
Coach Lola.
Okay, nasaan na siya sa...
Sana po yun,
Kay
banda.
Lisa Goodkin ba siya?
Opo, Lisa Goodkin.
Okay, so
Tuloy niyo lang po, Coach.
si Lisa Goodkin po ang Director of Health Education. Okay, so nasabi na ni Coach Lola, she is a wife of Dr. Ryan Goodkin. So Lisa focuses on minimizing stress and maximizing productivity. Lisa is a living example of what is possible when we make the decision to give our bodies what they need. So makikita po natin si Miss Lisa when they are doing their live presentation, talagang she is physically fit. Kaya nga sabi, 'di ba, she walks the talk, 'di ba? So whatever they are educating us, whatever they are teaching us, they really do it on themselves, 'di ba? They are taking the supplements of Live Good and they are really maintaining their family to become healthy every day, 'di ba? So, and lastly is Noder Kasan. He is the Director of Field Development. He is also the co-founder of Live Good. So, Noder Kazan is a legend in the network marketing industry. He has coached, trained, and helped thousands of people to be better, do better, and achieve more than they ever thought they could. So, very jolly itong si Noder Kasan, 'di ba? He really makes sure he is helping everyone. He is attending a different live presentation or Zoom meetings just to educate the community of Live Good. Okay, so let's
Coach,
proceed to the
meron po
next
kayong
slide.
slides? Excuse po.
No.
Hindi po nakikita.
Yes, I have, but I cannot I cannot share because I am using my mobile phone.
Let me check po
My
and
StreamYard
i-check
is
ko
not
muna yun.
working on my laptop.
Okay,
Ikaw kaya,
sige po
Coach.
i-try ko pong i-download
Oo
konti.
nga pala, no?
Tuloy
Nagbabasa
muna
ako, hindi
po kayo.
pala nakikita.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the simple mission of Live Good? Only this one. It is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So, ibig sabihin, nabuo si Live Good kasi they really want everyone to be healthy. And 'di ba sa ngayon kapag if you want to become healthy, it's really expensive. The bio products, the supplements, and even the food. The food that healthy food are really expensive, 'di ba? So now they created these Live Good products in order for people to afford them. It doesn't mean that they are affordable prices, they are not good quality. Hindi po yun totoo kasi Live Good did this product so in highest quality but at affordable prices. Okay, so these are the words from our field development director, Noder Kasan. Sabi niya, the days of buying overpriced products so that people at the top can get rich are over. So maraming companies, networking companies, they are really selling overpriced products. Okay, so here are the MLM secrets. So did you know that the average cost to make products is only $5 to $12? Okay, so mura lang naman ang pag-create ng mga products. But then other companies are selling them 10 times and even higher, di ba? So ginagawa nila yan to pay the sponsor with old MLM programs. Okay, so mapapansin nyo yan sa ibang mga networking companies, sobrang mahal ng kanilang mga produkto at tinanggal na po yan dito sa LiveGood. So marami ang nagulat, kaya nga LiveGood is known as the networking, di ba, disruptor. Marami silang binago na nasa ibang company, old MLM program, ngayon sa LiveGood binago na lahat yan. Everything is giving a lot of benefits sa mga distributor. Hindi mo ma-share, Coach?
Actually, na-share ko siya pero hindi
Girly?
po siya nag-a-appear. Kailangan pong i-accept yata ni Coach Lola.
I-accept ni, kasi siya ang host.
Opo.
Okay, so
she's
magsasalita lang
logging in.
tayo without the
Yeah.
slides.
Yeah.
Okay.
Continue
So
na
we
lang
are
po
here
sa
now
next.
in the
Yes.
LiveGood. Ikaw na ba dito? LiveGood business concept? The first business concept? Or i-ano ko kasi doon ka na lang sa
Anong page
product.
na po?
Okay,
sige po, pwede
so
po product na lang.
it's page 9. Okay, so once you become an affiliate and a member of LiveGood, you will be given a personal online shop. It is the business center and it is for lifetime. Once you are an affiliate of LiveGood, you are forever an owner of your business, okay, of the online shop. Nasa pangalan mo po yan. So, you will be given an instant shop. Ito yung like, di ba, sa Amazon, familiar tayo sa Amazon, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong online shop with your own name o kung kahit anong pangalan ang gusto mo, di ba? And it is open 24 hours. Imagine that. So, anyone can buy in your online shop kasi hindi siya nagsasara. That's how an online shop is. Coach, may guest na tayong kasama.
Si Coach Reynolds.
Andito na tayo,
Hello
Coach,
po.
sa
Welcome,
page 9. Kaya pala nawala si Coach Lola kasi may darating na bisita din.
May bitbit.
Oy,
Ayan.
sorry.
Yan.
Pagsalitain niyo muna, nawawala internet ko. So, thank you so much for continuing. Pagsalitain muna natin yung
Coach.
ating coach na gwapo.
Yes, welcome po.
Okay, sige, Coach. Go ahead. Welcome.
Coach Ray muna, Coach Ray.
Hello, maganda. Ay, may audio po ba ako?
Meron.
Meron. Magandang
Meron.
hapon. Yan, good afternoon. Andito ako ngayon sa sa San Diego kaya wala sa bahay.
Wow.
But anyway, magandang hapon po. Madaling araw sa Pilipinas. And welcome po dito sa LiveGood presentation. Yeah.
Yun. Okay. So, tutuloy na natin. Saan ba ako naputol? Pasensya na kayo. Pag
Tinuloy po ni Coach Martin.
Tinuloy na po. Pero yung slide na wala.
Yes, yung slide, okay.
Sa page 9. Page 9.
Page, this one? This one ba tayo?
Page 9.
Page 9, Coach. Yeah.
Hindi ko na alam yung page.
Oo, dyan na. Nandyan na.
Ito? Narinig niyo pa to?
Yan na yun, Coach. Yung, yung tapos na, tapos na yan,
okay,
Coach.
so kay girly na to, no? Okay, so
nagsalita na ako kahit walang slide.
Okay, sige po, itutuloy ko na po yung ating next. Okay, LiveGood business
sige na, Coach Girly.
Yes. LiveGood business concept po natin, no? Meron po kayong personal online shop po dito, no? Pag nag-join po kayo kay LiveGood. So one time affiliate fee po siya, pero business center nyo po yan for life. Okay? Kasi one time lang po yung ating affiliate fee. Okay? Instant shop po tayo kasi 24/7 po bukas yung online shop po ninyo. no, done for you kasi meron na po tayong 5 personal link na ibibigay po ni Live Good sa inyo. At marami pa pong links na ibibigay kasi yun po ang sabi ni CEO, malapit na po ilalabas yung ating mga new links per product. Okay, and then in demand po yung ating mga products kasi we started from health and wellness. And then factory price po yung mga product natin, 75% to 90% less price than other brands. Okay, global market po tayo. Yung ibig sabihin, pwede po kayong mag-business dito po sa Live Good in 232 countries. Kasi po, drop shipping po tayo. Ang ibig sabihin po, kung meron pong nag-order doon po sa link ninyo, okay, si Live Good na po yung bahalang mag-deliver ng mga products. No need na po kayong mag-stock ng mga products or bumili ng product at kayo yung mag-ship. Automatic na po, no? Pag nag-order po sila doon sa shop link ninyo, si Live Good na po yung bahalang mag-ship ng products worldwide. Okay, so that's the beauty of our business. And then we have huge potential profit po dito kasi 50% to 100%, no? Kung masipag po kayo sa retail, no, malaki po yung kikitain ninyo sa retail sales profit. That will be paid weekly dito po sa Live Good. All right, next slide po, Coach Lola. Okay, Live Good current categories and store features. Okay, meron po tayong weight loss products, detoxing and gut health, immune booster, heart health, sleep support, muscle and joint aid, brain functions, beauty and skincare. Coming soon na po yung ating skincare. And meron din po tayo for sexual health. Okay, full 90-day empty bottle guarantee po tayo, no? Most of our products ay organic po, especially po yung ating super green, super reds, coffee at yung ating protein, no? Yung ating vanilla protein, organic na po and yung CBD po natin, no? And 200 plus products coming very, very soon na po, no? Household care, personal care, travel, solar, alkaline machine, etc. will be coming soon po, no, in our shop. Kasi po ang sabi ni CEO, 200 to 300 products yung target nila in 2 to 3 years. Alright. Okay, Live Good product price comparison, no? Yun pong nagustuhan namin dito sa Live Good kasi po nakakamura na po tayo sa mga products. Like ito pong multivitamins, we have for men and women, that's only 9.95. Okay, sa ibang company or ibang product, no, that will cost you 47 or 30 plus. Okay, dito po meron din tayong magnesium. Okay, ang magnesium po ay very important po sa ating health. That's 8.95. Dito po yung dati ko pong magnesium na binibili is $30 po. So nakakamura na po ako talaga dito sa Live Good. Okay, D3K2, ito po, it's very important din, especially parating na po yung winter. Okay, $850 po dito sa Live Good, and other products, it will cost you $20 to $30 and up. Okay, CBD, ito po, it's organic na, 14.95. Yung dati ko pong CBD na binibili, $60, $70, minsan pa nga $100. Pero nagulat po ako, nung dito sa Live Good, nakita ko po 14.95 yung 750 mg. So very, very affordable po, no, ng ating mga products. Alright, disclaimer lang po pala, no, our products, no, for our products, these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Ayan, ito guys, itong napakamagandang product, no? Ito po yung talagang favorite namin ni Coach Lola. Super Greens, it's only $18. Yung dati ko pong Super Greens na ginagamit is $50 to $100. So dito po, nakakamura na po talaga ako. And this is really organic. And then Super Reds po, no? Maganda po ito for heart health. Okay, that's $18 din, no? Ang ibang product, it will cost you $30 to $60. Yan po yung mga average sa market. So nakakamura po talaga kayo dito kay Live Good. And then ito po yung ating organic coffee, no? Ang mga Pinoy talagang mahilig po sa coffee. And ako po ay number 1 coffee drinker. Okay? And ito po, no, 17.95 lang. Yung dati ko pong ini-endorse na coffee, For members, $40 po. So nakamura pa rin tayo dito kay Live Good. And maganda po ito guys, yung coffee natin. Meron po siyang organic mushrooms. And it is really organic itong coffee natin. Meron po yung seal na USDA certified organic. And then protein. Meron po tayong protein ngayon. It comes in 30 servings na po yung ating protein. I think $27 yun kasi 30 servings na siya. Okay? Napakamura po, no? At masarap po yung lasa. And compare nyo po sa ibang price, no? Yung ibang company, that's $60 or $60 or $70 po yung mga ganitong product. So, nakamura po tayo dito sa Live Good. Ito po yung lagi naming sinasuggest, no, sa ating mga members, no? Para makatipid po kayo sa shipping. Kunin nyo po yung ating International Wellness Pack. Kasi po, yung 6 na product po na iyan ay only $89.95 only for members po, no? And this is free shipping po, no? Kung kayo po ay nasa Pilipinas or outside USA, you can avail this package po, free shipping po. Kaya that is a really advantage na po, no, sa lahat ng ating affiliates and members. Kasi po, imagine free shipping itong 6 products, and these products are, ito po yung basic na kailangan po ng ating katawan. In fact, ito po lang lagi kong binibili kasi I know ito po talaga yung kailangan natin sa daily activities natin. Ayan. 6 products. Alright, next po, Coach Lola. Ayan, wala po si Coach Lola. Alright, anong next po doon? Let me check po dito sa slide.
Nawala na naman.
Opo,
Ang next
mahina
niya
daw
is
yung internet.
Yung
Okay, yung
save
Save
with
Bundle
bundle
Pack.
packs.
Okay, yung Save with Bundle Packs po naman, tuloy lang po natin kahit walang slides. Okay, meron po tayong mga iba't ibang packs. Okay, pwede po kayong pumili. Pero yung napakaganda po dito sa Live Good, hindi po kayo pipilitin na bibili po ng yung mga packs. So kung kayo po ay member, anytime po pwede po kayong bumili sa inyong shop, okay, at a discounted price. Yun pong maganda dito po sa Live Good. Okay? And then, next po is yung pay plan. Let's talk about the second business concept, the membership club that pays. We are the first in the industry. Ay, hindi pa po pala ito pay plan. Sorry po.
No,
Okay.
I think,
Sino po
Coach.
dito?
Coach.
Yes
Ano,
po.
yung sa membership, ako na.
Sige po.
Okay, so
Go
let's
ahead,
talk
Coach
about the
Marian.
second business concept, which is the membership, di ba? The membership club that pays. So alam niyo po ba na ang Live Good is the only membership club that pays. Okay, so Live Good is the first in the networking industry, and we are the game changer. Okay, so I'm sure everyone is familiar with membership clubs. Napakaraming membership clubs kasi parang sila yung patok na patok sila ngayon, 'di ba, sa business, ang membership club or subscription companies. 'Di ba? So isa sa sikat na subscription company ay ang Costco. Meron diyan sa USA, 'di ba, and sa Canada. So dito po sa Costco, you pay $120 per year. So I think right now it's over 119 million members ang Costco, 'di ba? So what are the benefits? They get discounted prices from every product in Costco. Okay, so isa din ang Amazon Prime. So sa Amazon, you can pay $14.95 per month, or I think there are higher amount. Amazon is has more than 200 million members, and they are earning good $469 billion sales per year. Napakalaki, 'di ba? So marami ang susubscribe sa Amazon. They get free shipping from their orders. Isa din ang Netflix. Nakasubscribe ba kayo sa Netflix, guys? So Netflix, they really like the service. Kasi nga naman, you don't have to go to cinemas anymore. You don't have to, 'di ba? to spend money, go for the transportation. You don't need to be away from home. You can watch your favorite movies, telenovelas, 'di ba? Movie marathon while relaxing at home. 'Di ba? Marami ang subscriber ni Netflix. 247.15 million or more. So how much do you pay in Netflix? $19.95 per month. Ang laki din, ha? Isa din ang Zoom sa very popular subscription company nowadays, 'di ba? It's very helpful sa mga meetings they can they can connect with their clients even wherever they are, 'di ba? So 15.95 per month ang bayad natin sa Zoom. And there are so many subscribers now in Zoom, 509,800. Diba? So these are some of the samples of familiar membership club or subscription companies nowadays. But you know what? They don't give us any income. Diba? So, and there are other e-commerce platform that charges from $16.99 to $39.99 per month. 'Di ba? Ang mahal. And then you still need to hire a web designer. You will pay $5,000 to $10,000, and you need to find your products to sell and ship yourself. Unlike here in Live Good, meron ng free websites, meron ka ng links, and the products are all ready. Diba? You don't have to buy the products. Live Good will do the drop shipping program. Okay, so, and then the next one is, ito na yung cost. How much is Live Good business? Okay, so, if you are interested now to join Live Good, here is the startup cost. Only $40, one-time affiliate fee po yan. Hindi na kayo magbabayad ng another 40 next month or next year. That's a lifetime affiliate fee. Your account will be set up already and it's yours for life, di ba? Kahit tumigil ka sa pag-subscribe, yung affiliation mo sa Live Good is there. Hindi po yan kukunin ni Live Good sa'yo. Okay, so, and another payment that you need to pay is the monthly subscription, which is $9.95, or if you want to pay the yearly, makakasave ka po ng 2 months or 20% off. That's $99.95. Malaki ang matitipid mo if you pay the yearly subscription. Okay? So, total, if you want to pay the monthly and the affiliate fee, it's only $49.95. Napakamura, di ba? So, sino ang walang $50? Gawin na natin $50, di ba? Where do you spend your $50 nowadays? Join Live Good, you will have your business for life, and you will have the chance to get healthy through the supplements at huge discounts, di ba? And makakatulong ka pa sa ibang tao, di ba? So, and if you pay the yearly subscription plus the $40 affiliate fee, it's $139.95. And the following year, you only pay the $99.95 kasi nga yung affiliate fee is only one time, di ba? Okay, so ngayon alam nyo na kung magkano ang Live Good. Here are the ways to pay. You can use debit or credit card, Visa, Discovery, or MasterCard, and we have also the physical or virtual card. If you have a cryptocurrency accounts, you can also use that. They allow in other country where they cannot use the bank cards. And of course, you can use your sponsor's credit wallet. Okay, so you just have to communicate with your sponsor. If your card or bank card is not yet ready, they can use their credit wallet to pay for you. But of course, you have to pay them the cash. Okay, so take note po dito sa LiveGood, one account, one card policy. It means you cannot use someone's card if they already use it as payment here in LiveGood. Okay, so how do we get paid here in LiveGood? Sa USA po, they are paid through direct to their bank accounts. For outside USA, you can get paid through iPayout. It is a third-party payment gateway for international members to attach their local banks. Okay, so cryptocurrency wallets also, and then sponsors credit wallet through money transfer. Okay, so hindi po pumapalya si LiveGood sa mga kanilang komisyon, 'di ba? Very up to date. Minsan nga napapaaga pa. Okay? So, Coach Lola, we are now in the pay plan, right?
No, yeah. Siguro introduce si Coach Ray yung kasunod. Ano ba yung kasunod yan? Pay plan na ba? Coach, kaya mo ba, Reynold? Coach Reynold?
Pay plan na po.
Sa inyo na lang po muna. Baka si Coach Girly pwede.
Kayang-kaya ni Coach Reynolds.
Sir Ray, doon ka na lang sa sa Retail Commission. Guys, we would like to introduce to you itong ating pay plan. I think this is the old one, ano? Pero mamaya po si Coach Reynold, nagre-ready lang po siya mabuti. Ako naman po ay on and off para akong Christmas light. Ang amin pong internet dito sa bundok ay on and off. Kaya pasensya na po. Before I proceed with this first section of our pay plan, very tayo ngayon, very fun yung ating internet. Ang affiliate and membership program, guys, ng LiveGood ay kakaiba. Pero bago po ako magsimula, I would like to state this income disclaimer. We cannot guarantee your future result and success here. There is no assurance of the past earnings by the other people can be duplicated in the future. We are not responsible for any individual actions. At saka po yung pagkakaintindi ninyo, please, unawain niyo po itong mabuti kasi marami pong tao ang medyo naguguluhan. Bago po kayong mag-join ay magtanong po tayo sa ating sponsor. Next slide. We have 8 bonuses and rewards program po dito na nakakaiba. Karaniwan po dito ay mga profit sharings na yun ang ating nagustuhan kasi sa ibang company talagang isa lang ang profit sharing. But with this, we have the fast start, we have the matrix na profit sharing, we have the matching bonus, retail, customer acquisition, influencer bonus na hindi ka lang basta retailer dito, pwede ka maging influencer, diamond pool, and the crown diamond pool po yung ating profit sharing na napakaganda talaga. Okay, next slide. Right. So, alam niyo po dito sa LiveGood, number 1, itong fast start, pag-usapan natin, we have the highest fast start commission po to compare po sa other companies kasi 50% po ang nakukuha natin dito when someone joins you in this business. $25 po yan. Coming from the $49.95 na pagkaka-join nila sa inyo sa $20 affiliate fee and the monthly subscription po na $5 na in-explain kanina. Next slide. Okay, pag-usapan natin yung unilevel ng fast start. Ito po ang nakakatuwa dito, guys, kasi hindi lang naman one time ka makakakuha dun sa direct na na-refer mo dito sa program. We also have this unilevel na wala po sa iba. So ang unilevel program po natin is up to 10th level. Depende po sa inyong rank. Kasi meron po kami dito tinatawag na 5 rank higher rank. Actually, 6 ranks po tayo. Pag pumasok tayo sa LiveGood, we are unranked, wala po tayong rank. So, kung tutuusin, sinasuggest po namin ang becoming a silver. Kasi sa silver po, talagang over na ang natatanggap mo at break-even ka na dun sa tinatawag naming monthly income, monthly subscription or matrix income. So, if you are a silver, halimbawa, meron kang group of 4, isang tao lang, yung isang tao na nakuha mo, talagang yung team niya, nakagawa sila ng team of hanggang level 4. At yung team mo, na nasa level 4 na yan, na isang line, na nagtatrabaho sa iyo for daily, halimbawa, no, talagang gumagalaw, pwede ka pong magkaroon ng $35 per day if they are all moving. So as a silver po, usually meron tayong 10 directs para maging silver ka. Papaliwanag po mamaya ang ranking system. So $350 per day po ang ating future na pwedeng nating matanggap. Now, next slide. So kayo, kaya makinig pong mabuti. Ang second commission po natin ay Matrix Commission. So ito po yung kakaiba na ngayon ko lang ranasan na wala po sa other companies na pinasukan natin. As an active members and affiliate po dito sa Live Good, pwede tayong makareceive ng 2,047.50 as minimum. Pero pwede po umabot sa 16,383.50 per month po yan. Depende po sa ating rank. So pag-usapan natin sa next slide kung paano ba yan. Now, ito po yung aming ranking system na pinaliliwanag. Pagka tayo po ay pumasok sa Live Good, ang tawag po sa atin ay unrank. May ranking po tayo like bronze, silver, gold, platinum to diamond na konti lang naman po yan. Now, ang matrix system po, kung gusto niyong unawain, dito sa right side po ng ating slide, we have the structure of the matrix. Kung makikita ninyo, para po itong gobyerno, may taong presidente sa taas, may mga sumunod na subordinates, ganyan lang po ang matrix system. Ano? So, you as a people at the top na nagre-refer po sa company, at hindi ka lang po doon tayo sa tinatawag nating personal matrix, nalalagyan po tayo ng other people under our network. So, ang paglalagay po ng system ay dalawa lang ng dalawa. Yung mga spaces po na vacant, doon lang po inilalagay ng system yung mga taong dumadating sa company. Either yun ay referral ang nasa taas mo ng sponsor mo, referral mo, or referral ng mga taong nasa ilalim na nailagay na. Now, wag po natin itong pagtakahan na makukuha mo dito kahit ikaw ay pumasok sa Live Good nang wala kang naiimbita, wala ka rin ibinebenta, ikaw po ay posibleng makatanggap ng 2,048 per month. Pero yan po ay walang time frame. So pwede pong 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, wala po tayong time frame doon. So kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng mabilis-bilis na pagpuno ng ating mga matrix, well, tumulong po tayo para magkaroon tayo ng second rank, which is silver, bronze. So, ang mangyayari po dyan, yung unang rank mo, kung wala kang rank, hanggang 12 level lang po ang iyong makukuhanan ng komisyon. No? Sa bronze naman, nadagdagan tayo ng another level, 2/13. So, nadagdagan din yung iyong bonus na tatanggapin in the long run. So, 4,095 na po yan. With silver, 2/13, 4,095. The gold is doble na. 2/14, 8,191. Sa platinum po ay 8,191 monthly din. And then the diamond, yan po yung pinakamalalim na matrix level mo na 2/15, you will be able to get 16,383. Baka nagtataka kayo kung bakit malaki yan. Kasi po galing lang naman yan sa 2.5% doon sa subscription ng mga nagjo-join sa atin na 995, which is only 25 cents. So bawat tao po na yan ay computed as 25 cents. Kaya marami pong tao ang kailangan natin. But then, kung kayo po ay nagre-refer, kalahati po nung mga nare-refer mo ay tatanggapin mo po dyan dito sa susunod na commission natin. Next slide po. So, yun po yung matching bonus na personal mo na pinaliwanag ko, no? Andito po yung pera, guys, dito sa matching bonus. Number 3 na po dito ng ating pay plan. Kaya po nandito yung pera, lalo na po kung kayo po ay mga networker, bati ka na sa networking, or kahit naman nagsisimula pero marami naman kayong contact. Once po na makapag-refer kayo ng tao, lahat po nung kita nila doon sa matrix nila na personal, kalahati po ang tatanggapin mo kung sila ay iyong personal referral, no? So imagine kung naging diamond sila, kumikita na sila ng sabihin na nating 10,000 a month, sa'yo po yung 5,000, ganun po ang ibig sabihin nun. And down the line, up to the 5th generation, kung ikaw po ay diamond. So yan po yung chart, papaliwanag na lang sa inyo ng sponsor ninyo, basta ang i-focus lang po ninyo, the more referral you get, na mas dumadami ang parang franchise natin, no? It's like creating multiple account, guys, no? Kung kahit na bronze lang nakuha mo, 2,000 lang nakukuha nila a month, sa'yo yung kalahati. The more, the merrier, di po ba? Yan. So, as a sample po, lagi naming sinasabi sa ibang tao na sana mag-invite kayo talaga kasi let's say naging bronze kayo, automatic kung wala naman kayong makukuha pang ibang tao, mas maganda pong ilagay natin ang ating mga family kung kaya din naman ninyo yung may monthly subscription na
Coach
995.
Girly.
Alin? Naka-freeze ba ako?
What a day.
Ha?
Sorry about this, guys. Medyo
Naririnig ko si ano, si
mahina ang
Marinel.
internet connection sa side ni Coach Lola.
Okay naman po dito sa akin.
Naririnig ko si Marinel, naririnig ko si Girly. Nandito na tayo sa matching bonus, right?
Si Coach Marindel yata yung mahina po yung kanyang internet.
Okay. So tutuloy ko lang itong sample family
Opo,
family
tuloy niyo
income
lang
kung
po.
sakaling kayo po ay magdadagdag ng family members, you can have at 10,238 per month po dyan kasi yung family member mo makikinabang ka rin po. Binibilisan ko na lang po ito para kung ako'y sakaling mawala. Next slide na tayo. I think this next slide, i-turn over ko na po kayo kay Coach Reynold to discuss itong retail and the influencer bonus. Coach Ray, paki naman, kasi nawawala ako.
Baka mawala din pa ako, mahina signal dito sa hotel. Anyway, itong retail commission, pagka sinishare mo yung shop link, yan, ibig sabihin, yung mga products ang sinishare mo, hindi yung business side ni Live Good. May 50% ka sa first level mo. Ibig sabihin, yung na-refer mo dito sa Live Good, pag meron siyang naibenta, using their products, their shop link, may bumili ng product, you as a referrer dun sa nakabenta na yon, may 50% ka. So parang ganun lang na pagka unrank ka. Pero kung bronze ka na, up to 2 levels, 50% sa first one, 10% doon sa refer mo. So palalim lang ng palalim yan habang pataas ng pataas yung rank mo. So kung silver ka, may 50% sa 1, 10% sa 2, tapos ito yung refer mo, yung number 3, may 5% ka pa doon, saka 5% sa level 4. So, ganun lang ang retail commission. Kaya kung may mga kaibigan ka na-refer dito sa Live Good, sabihin mo na i-share din nila yung product side ni Live Good. Kasi maganda talaga yung mga product natin dahil mura na, maganda pa yung mga quality. Kaya hindi ka mahihiyang sabihin sa kanila na mag-share ka ng mga product. Yan. Ito, number 5, customer acquisition bonuses. Yeah, one time, like the fast start. Paid weekly. Pag mini-refer ka kasi dito, pagka may bumili doon sa shop mo, yung pinakaunang products na binili nila, meron kang commission doon. So, mas maganda kung yung mga mare-refer mo ng mga members, yung mga product users, is marami silang bibilin dun sa pinaka-first order nila. Kasi pagka bumili sila, meron kang commission. Ganun din dun sa mga ni-refer mo. Ayan. So, parang ganun din dun kanina sa number 4. Ang ganda lang dito, yung first time na bibili sila, may additional commission. So, in-add to ng Live Good para bigyan ng mas maraming paraan para kumita yung mga affiliate ni Live Good. Ito maganda, influencer bonus. Kasi habang lumalaki yung binebenta mo, mga products, palaki din ng palaki. Dinadagdagan niya pa yung commission mo. Ibig sabihin, pag ang volume na binebenta mo is 2,500, pataas na, imbis na 50% lang yung commission mo, between yung product difference lang hindi yung presyo ng buong product. Let's say yung Ano ba magandang example? Yung Super Green, 'di ba may members price saka retail price. Yung difference noon, let's say dollars ang difference noon, yun yung kukuhanan ng 50%, yung $8. Hindi yung the whole price ng Super Green. So pero pagka bumibenta ka na, malakas na yung yung maraming bumibili sa products mo, 2,500 and more, dadagdagan pa ni Livegood ng 10%. Pero kung volume mo per month is 50,000 na, lahat na ng difference between the retail price and the members price, ibibigay sa iyo ng Livegood ng buong buo. Kasi 50% plus 50%, kaya magiging 100%.
100%.
Yes. Yes.
And ito, pinakamaganda. Shout out sa mga kasama nating mga nanonood dyan, ng mga Diamonds. Coach Sal.
Yuhu! Yuhu! Coach
Mga
Sal.
Coach Sal,
diamond
shout out po.
dyan
Thanks,
naman.
Coach Sal, for watching.
Thank you po. Si Ma'am Annalisa ng Kuwait. Yan. Thank you for watching. Ito, maganda to sa mga ito ang gusto nating marating halos lahat tayo. No? Kasi dahil dito, Diamond Pool, merong 2% profit sharing. Ibig sabihin, yung benta ni Livegood, the whole Livegood, ito, benta na ng kahit di mo na downline, I mean, kahit downline mo or crossline, kahit na hindi mo kakilala, basta kasi as a whole, yung benta ng Livegood as a whole, 2% nun, paghahati-hatian ng mga magagaling nating affiliate na naging Diamond. Ayan. Kaya shout out sa mga nakarating na dyan. No? Marami na ring Diamond ng mga Pilipino. Ayan. And marami na ring mga iba-ibang lahi. Ayan. So yung pinaka-latest yata ay taga-Mongolia.
Wow.
Ito, dalawa pa lang nakakarating dito sa ngayon. No? Crown Diamond. Yan.
Yuhu!
Ang maganda rito is yung 0.5%. Kanina 2%, di ba? Pinaghati-hatian ng Diamond. Pero yung 2% na yon, sa dami ng naghahating mga Diamond, syempre mas maliit yun. Yan. Pero doon sa Crown Diamond, 0.5 lang yan. So, kalahati ng 1%. Pero malaki yan. Kasi ang naghahati dyan is 2 tao lang sa ngayon.
2 lang. Yeah.
Malaki yan.
Kaya malaki yan. Kaya kung 20 million ang benta, ang sales ni Livegood, yung 0.5% niyan is 0.50% niyan is $100,000. So kung dalawa lang maghahati diyan, tag 50 sila. So kung ikaw yung magiging pangatlo, hati-hati kayo sa 100,000.
Monthly. Yeah.
Monthly yan. Pero nagpa-fluctuate yan. Maaring mas mababa next month, pero mas maaring habang dumadami yung member, dumadami yung sale, dumadami yung products natin, ibig sabihin, lalaki yung benta. Plus, kasi maraming mga project na ina-open si Livegood, maraming mga ilalabas na mga marketing materials, I'm sure tataas yan.
Yes. So, Coach Marinel na kaya ito? Coach Marinel, nandiyan ka ba?
Yeah. Okay.
Nasaan na
na-auto rank up po.
Inaantok na po sa Belgium gabi na.
Okay, tingnan ko dito sa Yes, gising pa. Okay, so how to rank up here in Livegood, guys? Gising. Bronze, if you want to become a bronze, only 2 people. Only 2 person you need. Your wife, your husband, or your kids, diba? Anyone in your family, you have to grab them here in Livegood to become a bronze rank. Para naman, diba, sila yung unang napunta sa'yo. So the following, the next people that you will join your team, they will become under your 2 family members. So that's the technique, the tip here in Livegood. Okay, to become a silver rank, you need 3 bronzes or 10 directs. Plus, you need to have a 20 total team members. And for gold rank, you need 3 silvers or 30 directs, plus the total of 100 team members. To become platinum, you need 3 golds or 100 directs plus 500 team members. Then, to become a diamond, you need 3 platinums or 3 legs that has 500 people and plus a total of 2,500 team members. Okay, rank up to bank up, 'di ba? So, mas maraming income kapag nagra-rank up ka. Okay?
Ah.
So, ganyan po dito sa LiveCode. Okay, so next slide is to paano mag-start dito sa LiveGood, okay? So you can be an affiliate and member in order for you to earn residual and passive income, okay? Mas maganda affiliate and member po, okay? So or if you want to become just a member, a customer, avail huge membership discounts from the products. Okay? So kung yung products lang ang gusto mo at gusto mong maka-discount, then you don't want the business side, then you can still be a member. Okay? And if you are not looking for huge discounts, you can avail even the retail price. You can be a retail customer. Anyway, even the retail price, they are low prices compared to other leading brands out there. Visit our online shop, you can see the difference of the prices. Okay, so, or you can pick, if wala pa kayong sponsor dito sa LiveGood, visit our how you call this team website, that's main.livegoodpros.com. Okay, mamili po kayo doon kung sino ang matipuhan yung sponsor, 'di ba? So contact the person who invited you here in LiveGood, 'di ba, for this opportunity. Ngayon pa lang kontakin niyo na siya para mag-guide na kayo kung paano mag-start dito sa LiveGood. Okay, so we are the Global Income Builder team. Okay, so ito pa, paano ba mag-register dito sa LiveGood? Isang way lang, it's through the marketing funnel. So it's super fast and easy to sign up here in LiveGood. So ask your sponsor, get his or her link. When you open that link, it should be the name of that person, your sponsor should be on top of the page, the marketing funnel page. So this bigger one is the laptop view, and the small one is the mobile view. You just have to scroll down. Okay, so there is a 5-minute video there of CEO Ben Glinsky. It's very important to watch it po. Finish the whole video. And then after that, you can sign up for free. Your first name, last name, and your valid email address. And then click the reserve my position. Wala pong bayad yan, okay? So don't be afraid to sign up. Okay, so we are the Global Income Builder team. Join our team today, okay? So we have free exclusive personal profile site, the main livegoodpros.com. And then every week we have team business training. We have weekly corporate team training or presentation, di ba? Very supportive po ang corporate team ng LiveGood. We have Monday Health Education by Dr. Ryan Goodkin and Lisa Goodkin, and we have exclusive chat room support. So you are well informed kung anong mga nangyayari, di ba? Timing is the key. Become one of the pioneers here in LiveGood. Nag-uumpisa pa lang po si LiveGood. We are now 1.4 million, di ba? Members.
Yes. Yan.
Yeah,
Wow!
so wala pa.
Nakalagpas tayo sa challenge ng internet. My God, it's 1 hour, and that is what we're aiming for po, to deliver this short presentation in 1 hour. And I would really like to thank our coaches here, no, nakapag-join sila. We will be with you guys again next week, Wednesday once again. We also have the Saturday, I think, with the other coaches again. Pwede po tayo kayong mag-join sa mga live na ganito namin. Matututunan nyo din po ito. Okay, some words from our coaches once again, Girly.
Yes po, sa ating mga affiliates, no, sa ating yung mga affiliates na dito po sa Livegood, no. Huwag po kayong mainip kasi malapit na po ilalabas yung ating new sites at saka meron po tayong co-op advertisement, no, sa main company po natin, no, sa Livegood. Kaya it's very exciting po, no, kung alam niyo po kung paano yan mag-work, matutulungan po lahat ng affiliates po, no, na magkaroon ng mga members, no, dito po sa Livegood. Kaya yun nga sinasabi ni Nader, no, madadami po yung members natin kasi magkakaroon po tayo ng co-op advertising. So keep going lang po and keep sharing your business kasi po so far ito po yung business na nakita ko pong doable po siya at hindi po siya mabigat sa bulsa. Okay, and then maganda po yung ating mga products, kaya we are very, very proud na we are Livegood, no? We are Livegood family po.
Yes,
Thanks po, Coach Lola.
Thank you, Girly. Coach Ray.
Ayun po, kung napapanood nyo itong video na to, thank you. And thank you din, Coach Lola, Coach Girly, Coach Marinel. And kung di pa kayo member ni Livegood, mag-join na po kayo para maka-discount kayo ng malaki sa mga health supplement products. Nag-start lang tayo sa health supplement, marami pa tayong mga iba pang mga product na ilalabas. Kaya kung di pa kayo nag-join, ang mura lang ng ng membership dito kay Livegood. One time lang naman yung $40 tapos $9.95 a month. Pero kung gumagamit ka ng product, binibili mo naman talaga to sa mga ibang tindahan, store, or sa Amazon or sa Costco, mas makakatipid ka dito kay Livegood at alam mong mataas pa yung quality ng mga product.
Tama po.
Kaya join na as a member, tapos bayaran mo ng one time yung affiliate para pagka may na-invite ka rin, may chance ka pang kumita. So hindi ka lang healthy, maaari ka pang maging wealthy. Yan. Thank you po.
Yes.
Alam mo maraming Filipino sa area ni Coach Reynold eh. Sana nga yung area mo, Coach Reynold?
Orange
County.
Yeah, naku talagang populated dyan ng mga Filipinos, no? Si Coach Marinel from Belgium. Last word, Coach.
Yes, so good night, everyone. Thank you so much for watching until this time, di ba? Kahit na nagkaroon kami ng internet challenges, nandyan pa rin kayo. Thank you so much. And yeah, I hope everyone understood what Livegood is all about. But if you have other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to any one of us, di ba? Napakadali namang i-explain ng Livegood, di ba? So, I personally love the products. They are really, really good. So, bumibili lang din naman ako ng vitamins or, the essential micronutrients that we need, di ba? So, why not spend it here in Livegood? Kasi highest quality, talagang you can trust Dr. Ryan Goodkin, di ba? So, and huge discounts na malaki ang matitipid, di ba? So, yeah, get and stay healthy, guys.
Yes po. Nakalimutan po nating banggitin na meron po tayong certificate of analysis sa ating mga products. Yun po ay very important kasi maganda po yung ating mga products. Yes, tama po si Coach Marinel.
Very important. They have to visit the online shop, 'di ba? Kasi everything is there, all the details, all the information, very transparent nga si Livegood, 'di ba? Walang tinatago when it comes to the products, diba?
Yes,
maraming website. So, thank you everyone. Thank you, Coach Lola.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, gusto ko lang pong ulitin na ang website po ng Livegood ay napaka-simple at napaka-users friendly. Ako po ay website designer for 10 years now, and of all the website na hawak na napasukan namin with other companies po, yung iba talaga puro dashboard lang ang nakukuha mo, not the front end, no? With Livegood, you're gonna have 5 front end, no, na store na yan na napakadali mong ipamigay at napakamura. So, yun lang po ngayon. Maraming pong salamat ulit sa inyong panunood at we hope to see you next time again. Right?
Thank you po sa lahat ng mananonood
Yes.
po. Salamat
Thank
na.
you. Huwag po kayong
Maraming
maalis.
salamat.
Bye, everyone.
Tatanggalin ko lang ang ating live. Bye, everyone. God bless you all. Join you. Good night.
Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, enjoy your
God bless you
holidays, Coach Reynold.
Salamat
Coach
po.
Reynolds, social ng
Thank you.
social.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
that's the beauty of virtual business. Kahit saan nakakapunta ka, you will enjoy your
Yes,
family.
I
Yeah,
love it.
kahit saan. Yeah.
Yes po. All right. Thank you
Bye-bye.
po. Bye-bye.